Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. Alright. Okay, if we are on the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, just this 3 dots icon. As you can see here, we've got the timer, we've got 3 different options, so the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the timer, in my case 10 seconds delay, it will be immediately highlighted, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified on the shutter button, which is quite nice because you can always be sure whether you've got the timer or not. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And basically this is how it works. Of course, you can always turn off the timer just by tapping on this crossed out icon, like that, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.